Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, TradeTech Analysis. So today we are going to talk about a very basic yet effective indicator. So before we start, I just want to take you back to the typical trading style. So most of the trader, what they do is before taking the trade, when there is a trend, they do check out the volume, so they only go for the trade when volume is supporting it. So that's where our indicator comes in the picture. So I have created an indicator which is price volume correlation indicator, which I call it PVC. Along with that, I have introduced liquidity sweep and previous day values, which is OHLC, open high low close. So let's talk about the indicator. So this is the indicator. If you type simply PVC, you will see one by price volume correlation strength by TradeTech analysis. Okay. So I'm on the daily chart of Nifty Bank, and if I enable volume, you can clearly see the price is keep on going up. What volume is kind of decreasing from this area, right? So when you take a trade, it happens, we can't see much of the things, and we keep on focusing on the candles. So that's where I created this indicator. So when there is an actual move in the candle, you can see them with the dark green or red color. Otherwise, when in the trend, when volume is not supporting, it will remain gray. So these are the settings. Volume MA by default I'm using 20. Price change look back is 2. The last two candles you can put it to 5 as well. That is totally up to you. You can modify these settings. Okay, so when you change the settings, you will see how price behavior has changed. So that's how it works. Okay, and apart from that, we are using these four lines, which is high line color is red, previous day high, previous day low, previous day close, and previous day VWAP. This is by default support and resistance areas for you. Okay, so that's what I have included as well, and the liquidity sweeps. So let's go on a shorter time frame. If I go on a 15-minute time frame, you can see some of the liquidity sweeps here, right? And buy sell signals as well. So buy and sell signal comes in two conditions. When so basic scenario, when price is going up and volume is also going up, then it's a true trend, which this dashboard also tries to show you exactly. So it says true bear move, true bull move, based on the last few candles, and it says sell active here. Okay, so it's only basis on the last 5 candles that we have chosen here. Okay, so when price is going up, volume is supporting, then it's a true move. When price is going up and volume is not supporting it, it can be a trap area or false move. Okay, so similarly, price is going down and volume is also increasing, that means it is a true move, it's not a trap. Along with that, you can see that this is the VWAP high low lines, right? And you can see how beautifully it is uh, taking support or resistance in such areas, right? This is today's a session, and you can see these are the available support and resistance areas, so that you don't need to draw these support and resistance areas, and you can change the setting as well. Okay, I'm on to the different settings. This is the one. So number of days, I have introduced maximum 10 days. So number of days 2 or 3, you can use it. Now look at the behavior. So it makes you it makes your chart clutter free. It looks more neat and clean, and I try to keep my indicator as well clutter free. So sometime it happens that we have a downside move, and we will see a green color candle. So basically that way, see, this is the red candle, but it is by the indicator it has become green. So let's see, let me show you what I'm talking about. Area is candle filled with green, right? Let me disable the indicator. It's actually a red candle, right? So this is the actual volume footprint it is trying to show. We see a green candle, we see a red candle, but it's like buying and selling pressure. But behind the scene, what actually happened, this indicator is trying to imprint the actual values here as well. It was a red candle, but it became actually a green candle as per our indicator. So that's how this indicator is very powerful. And the good part is it is a free indicator. Combination of uh, these three elements. First is price volume correlation. Second is sweep, and third one is the previous day values. So that makes this indicator powerful. Okay, so this is bank nifty chart. We can check other chart as well. Let's say nifty, at last it said that it is a sell side signal. If we go on a 5 minute, we had a sell signal, right? So that way you can see, and it took the support from yesterday's low, and boom, right? So you don't need to draw these lines, indicator is doing it for you. Look at it, this signal, it was a buy, and we, it was 330 candle, 325 30 candle, right, when session closed, but it was a buy signal. You can see this one was a gap up, and it was definitely a good appreciation, but eventually price came down. Obviously uh, the price also has come down for the options as well. If somebody was in C, then it should have dropped, and then after that it was boom. And you can see it was actually a red candle, but PVC said that it's actually a buy footprint, and you can see it was a slow move, but still it definitely hasn't taken you to the loss. So that's the good behavior of this indicator. There were liquidity sweeps, 2 3 multiples, and you can see next day what happened. We had a sell signal on the very first candle, and it came down, buy signal, and then good, right? So you can tweak these settings available and make it comfortable with your time frame that you generally trade on. Okay, so now let's go to BTC. Okay, so this is BTC chart. You can see how beautifully it is working, right? So if there was a sell signal, there was a buy signal as well, which was kind of a trap. And then these are the signals. So let's just, so I think that it is not giving proper signals. So let me just try to pick the entries. Now you can see, right? Now it looks more cleaner. So that way you can tweak these settings. There was a buy signal here. Look at it, how huge it is, right? So that can definitely help you make some extra bucks. And in fact, whenever, let's say, you got a buy signal, right? So obviously you will trade in a next candle, and you can have the SL of this candle. In such cases, your SL would hit very less, very effective way of saving the money as well. And when you have a signal in your favor, then the risk reward ratio is pretty huge, right? This sell signal, you can look at it, this one you can look at it, and this was buy and sell all together by itself. So yeah, just tweak the settings around, just use this indicator, and trust me, this may be the very basic, but it's very effective indicator. It's basis on my knowledge, what I used to follow in my early days. So this thing I try to uh, incorporate in an indicator, because this is something, it doesn't require many advanced elements. you are using only the price action and the volume, and to support, uh, you are only using the previous day values as well. So I'm reiterating these things because these are the basic yet effective things. Okay, rest I'll leave it to you. You can try this indicator. It's available for free, of course. You can explore my website, which is tradetechanalysis.com. And also, uh, there are other indicators I have uploaded on the website. You can explore other free indicators as well. There are few paid as well. But yeah, I mean, I'm not going to talk about the paid ones. Those who have the paid ones, they know how effective they are. But yes, if I say this is effective, then paid one is more effective than these ones. Okay, so yeah, let me know in comments, by using it, how did you like it, and any particular indicator that you want me to cover, or you want me to create an indicator, let me know in comments as well. With this, thank you so much guys, and have a great weekend ahead. Take care.